Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook figs for dessert. Figs are a wonderful fruit, naturally sweet and incredibly versatile, making them perfect for a variety of dessert applications. When selecting your figs, look for ones that are soft to the touch and boast a deep, vibrant color, indicating ripeness. Before you begin, remember to gently wash them and pat them completely dry. Roasting figs is a fantastic way to bring out their natural sweetness and create a tender, caramelized texture. Simply halve or quarter your fresh figs and spread them evenly on a baking sheet. A light drizzle of about 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup adds a lovely glaze. Then, roast them in an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 15 minutes. Poaching figs offers a delicate and elegant dessert option. Start by combining 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of sugar, and your favorite spices like cinnamon or star anise in a saucepan. Simmer this mixture for about 5 minutes until the sugar is fully dissolved, creating a fragrant syrup. Then, gently add your whole figs and poach them for 10 to 15 minutes until they are tender. Once your figs are cooked, the serving possibilities are endless and delightful. Warm roasted figs are absolutely divine when served with a generous scoop of creamy vanilla bean ice cream. For a lighter option, pair your elegant poached figs with a dollop of thick Greek yogurt and a sprinkle of crunchy pistachios. A drizzle of balsamic glaze also adds a wonderful sweet and tangy finish to any fig dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.